So here's Adobe Scan PDF and OCR Scanner app. It's one of the top apps in this category developed by Adobe. It has 1.1 million ratings. It's pretty cool. Adobe Scan is free to download and turns your mobile device into a powerful scanner that recognizes text automatically and allows you to create, save, and organize your paper documents as a digital file. Scan anything, receipts, notes, ID cards, recipes, photos, business cards, whiteboards, and turn them into PDF or JPEG files you can work with on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. So how it works, just scan any document and convert it to PDF or photo. Create high-quality scans of lengthy documents with book mode. Quickly scan and save your important documents to Dropbox or Google Drive. Adjust the brightness and contrast of your scans in just a few taps. Scan anything with precision with this mobile PDF scanner. Enhance, whether it's a PDF or photo scan, you can preview the order, crop, resize, and adjust color. Organize. Quickly find documents in photo library. Reuse. Turn your scan into high-quality Adobe PDF. Scan anything, anywhere, anytime. Do more with Acrobat. So yeah, that's the idea. And then you can just sign in with Apple, Google, or your Adobe account and then just start scanning. I don't know. All right, so that's just my issue, but yeah, you can sign in with your existing Adobe account. I don't know if you need a subscription for this app to use, but that's just how you get started. It's pretty powerful technology. Definitely try it out on your phone.